All right, welcome back to day number 98, I think. It should be 98. So today we took a break even and I was bullish. Why was I bullish? Like the 5 minute is like bearish so far, up until this point. However, we flipped it bullish right here. Right here on this candle. Okay, but didn't enter here because we had this impulse up there and I didn't get filled where I had my entry. So I just decided to wait. After seeing this impulse up, I didn't want to, get filled in because if rejects from here, this is a 15-minute for value gap. Let it load. This was a 15-minute for value gap, and if it rejected like that, then no bueno. So that said, I waited and waited. The 1 hour was bullish, by the way. The daily was also bullish. Right, so 1 hour is bullish. I entered here on this candle. We had this order block that formed, and I said, okay, cool. Like for further confirmation, I would like to see this close above, and it continued to be bullish still. And the 4 hour closed above here. We touched this big order, order block, not for value gap, and then the daily is like pretty bullish. I would say like you get this at the time we were trading at around here. So for me, this is pretty bullish after seeing this close right here above this and seeing this touch, then us going again. This is like a daily order block now. I was targeting this up here because we've touched this, but maybe now that I'm looking at it, I should have done the 50%. Just let me see how it looks on the 5 minute. I don't know why is this so slow. Yeah, looks like 50% would have been the best. Target this. I mean, it was already hit, so it would be probable that we go here. Anyway, I'm diverting. So this was not the initial stop loss. Like I was pretty conservative because we were chopping so much. My initial stop loss was this, a little bit lower. Yeah, something like this. Just in case, because we were like chopping so much, just in case we would go. So thesis behind this is that you get this close and then you get this bullish close. Then now this is the low, you get this bullish close, and then it turns bearish. So now this is the high that needs to be taken out for me to be bullish again. Keeping in mind that the 15-minute is still technically bullish, right? You got this low down here. So yes, we could have go all the way down here. But it just didn't seem like it because again, if you go to the 1 hour, there's a 1 hour for value gap that we touched and then respected. So I wanted to see this react nicely in this for further confirmation on while I was in the trade for this to close nicely as well. So ended up entering on that big order block. Let me just load it again. Okay, cool. Ended up entering on this big order block. And there was also this for value gap that we respected. So once I see this touched and us closing above here, I'm like, I'm good now, right? So moved my stop loss to here first. And not here, but like here, because we've touched that. And, next logical thing to be is like to respect this bullish order block and then us for go higher. That said, actually like entry was a bit higher because I got tagged out. Yeah, entry was somewhere in there. That said, after I see this and then this candle, I said, I'm moving my stops to break even. Like I've put my stop literally here. Even though like the 15-minute could still go to down here, I didn't want to risk a flip of 5-minute market structure into my entry, given the fact that I entered this trade based on the 5-minute and not the 15. So ended up taking that, and then price just it literally tags me out almost to the tick, and then price just goes higher again. So yeah, that's it for today. That's it for the week. Video's coming a little bit later because I got tagged out at 5. Usually at 5 I go to the gym. So I went there and just decided to record. So yeah, overall, pretty solid week. Um, I don't know how much I'm up down this week. Let me check. Yeah, I'm up $300 and I'm up 194 last week. And I feel like I've been consistent with my trading. I feel like I've been very patient, no FOMO. Even if I get into a trade, right? So I took this trade and I was like, okay, if it goes to the stop loss, it's fine. I would have taken this trade like any time of the day. Same thing for yesterday, where I took that break even basically again at $10. Same thing for 3 days ago, where I took like a break even again for minus 12. And same thing as I did on Tuesday. Monday, I didn't took any trades. Let me just check why. So Monday, I didn't took any trades. I think because I didn't saw a setup. Oh no, yeah, it was because Apex halted Stradivat, and then I was trading the challenge. But that's exceptional, right? Um, Even then, like the challenge, I would have taken that trade anyways. So yeah, overall, pretty happy. I hope I can continue like this, and I will continue like this. So yeah, hope you enjoyed, and I see you next week for day number 99. Bye bye.